A clean and beautiful neighborhood enhances the quality of life for all its residents. Keeping your block clean not only promotes community pride, but also helps protect the environment, boosts property values, and fosters a sense of belonging among neighbors. Whether you're passionate about making a difference or simply want to see your neighborhood thrive, organizing a block cleanup is a powerful way to contribute. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to clean your block and keep America beautiful. The importance of a clean neighborhood. Health and safety. A clean neighborhood reduces the risk of pests, which can carry diseases and cause health problems. Trash and debris can also pose physical hazards, especially for children and pets. Environmental impact. Litter and pollution can harm local wildlife and contaminate soil and water sources. By keeping your block clean, you help protect the ecosystem and promote sustainability. Community pride. A tidy, well-maintained neighborhood fosters a sense of community pride and responsibility. Residents are more likely to take care of their property and participate in community activities. Property values. Clean, attractive neighborhoods tend to have higher property values. Potential homebuyers are more inclined to invest in areas that appear well cared for and safe. Organizing a block cleanup. Plan ahead. Start by setting a date and time for the cleanup. Weekends are often the best choice to ensure maximum participation. Consider coordinating with local events or holidays to boost involvement. Gather supplies. Collect necessary supplies such as trash bags, recycling bins, gloves, rakes, and brooms. You may also need shovels, wheelbarrows, and safety vests. Reach out to local businesses or government agencies for donations or support. Recruit volunteers. Spread the word through flyers, social media, and community bulletin boards. Encourage neighbors to invite friends and family. Highlight the benefits of a clean neighborhood and the positive impact of their participation. Assign roles. To ensure a smooth and efficient cleanup, assign specific tasks and areas to volunteers. Roles can include trash pickers, recyclers, sweepers, and coordinators. Clear instructions and a map of the designated areas will help keep everyone organized. Ensure safety. Prioritize the safety of all participants. Provide gloves, safety vests, and first aid kits. Brief volunteers on potential hazards, such as sharp objects or hazardous materials, and instruct them on proper handling procedures. Effective cleanup strategies. Trash and recycling separation. Encourage volunteers to separate recyclables from general trash. Set up clearly labeled bins for paper, plastic, glass, and metal. Proper recycling reduces waste and promotes environmental sustainability. Weed and trim. Overgrown weeds and grass can make an area look neglected. Assign volunteers to weed flower beds, trim grass along sidewalks, and prune bushes. This will improve the overall appearance and prevent pests. Remove graffiti. Graffiti can detract from the beauty of a neighborhood. Provide paint and supplies to cover graffiti on walls, fences, and public structures. Prompt removal discourages further vandalism. Next up is street sweeping. Sweep sidewalks and streets to remove dirt, leaves, and debris. This not only makes the area look cleaner, but also prevents blockages and storm drains. Now, let's talk about beautifying public spaces. Enhance the look of public spaces by planting flowers, adding mulch to garden beds, and placing potted plants along walkways. Consider installing benches or community art projects to foster a welcoming environment. Finally, maintaining a clean neighborhood is crucial. Regular efforts and community involvement ensure that our neighborhood remains a pleasant place to live. Regular cleanups. Organize regular cleanups to maintain the cleanliness of your block. Monthly or quarterly events can help keep the momentum going and ensure the neighborhood remains tidy. Community involvement. Encourage residents to take ownership of their block. Promote litter-free habits and responsible disposal of waste. Recognize and reward individuals who contribute significantly to maintaining a clean neighborhood. Educational programs. Implement educational programs to raise awareness about the importance of a clean environment. Partner with local schools, community centers, and environmental organizations to provide resources and workshops. Install waste receptacles. Place trash cans and recycling bins in convenient locations throughout the neighborhood. Regularly empty and maintain these receptacles to prevent overflow and littering. Engage local authorities. Work with local government agencies to address larger issues such as illegal dumping, broken infrastructure, and neglected public spaces. Their support can provide resources and enforcement to keep your block clean. Celebrating success. Community events. Celebrate your cleanup efforts with community events such as block parties, picnics, or outdoor games. These gatherings can really strengthen community bonds and promote continued participation. Recognition and awards. Acknowledge the hard work of volunteers with certificates, awards, or public recognition. Highlighting their contributions can motivate others to get involved. Before and after photos. Take before and after photos to visually showcase the impact of your cleanup efforts. Share these images on social media and community newsletters to inspire pride and encourage further action. Keeping America beautiful starts with each of us taking responsibility for our immediate surroundings. By organizing and participating in block cleanups, you contribute to a healthier, safer, and more attractive neighborhood. Not only do these efforts improve the environment, but they also foster a sense of community and shared responsibility. For more tips on lawn care, gardening, and community improvement, visit your lawn care website. Together, we can make our neighborhoods and our country a cleaner, more beautiful place to live.